1,400 light-years away, there is a star that keeps turning its lights down. Not on a schedule. Not in a pattern. As if something enormous keeps passing in front of it. Tonight. The most argued about star in the galaxy, and the one word astronomers tried not to say. It starts with a space telescope, staring at one patch of sky for 4 straight years. The Kepler mission watched 150,000 stars in the constellation Cygnus, hunting for planets. When a planet crosses its star, the light dips. A fraction of 1%. Like clockwork. Computers scanned the data for those tiny, regular dips. But computers only find what they expect. So volunteers, ordinary people, looked at the raw light curves with human eyes. And in the data of one star, they found a dip of 22%. That is not a planet. Even a giant like Jupiter blocks barely 1%. This is the actual light curve. The drops are irregular, jagged, massive, and they keep happening. March 2011, 15%. February 2013, 22%. No rhythm, no warning. Astronomer Tabitha Boyajian published the data in 2015, asking simply, where is the flux? I am Mary data process as a man heisty and what narration is Fankasian. And then one colleague said the word out loud. The word you are not supposed to say. Megastructure. A civilization building something so vast, it eclipses its own sun. The story went around the world in days. The alien megastructure, star. Telescopes everywhere turned toward Cygnus. SETI listened for signals. Nothing. And the first strange clue came back. No waste heat. A real megastructure should glow in infrared. Then, it got stranger. Old photographic plates suggested the star had been fading for a century. 20% dimmer since the 1890s. One study claimed. Another study said, no, bad data. Even the star's history is an argument. The evidence itself refuses to behave. In 2017, the world watched live as the star began dipping again. And this time, Tabby, the light gave up a secret. Different colors dimmed by different amounts. A solid object, a planet, a wall, a structure, blocks all colors equally. Dust does not. So the leading answer today is dust. A ragged, drifting cloud of it, orbiting the star. Shred comets, a ground-up moon. The debris of something destroyed. Each idea explains some of the dips. None of them explains all of the dips. Where does the dust come from? Why doesn't it settle? Why the deep, sudden drops? 9 years of theories. Comets, moons, rings, clouds. And still no complete answer. And the megastructure? Astronomers never proved it. They also never fully ruled it out. Somewhere in Cygnus, the light is probably dipping right now. And we still don't know why. TTD data's wrong. Right? The truth is, we only found this star because someone bothered to look with human eyes. One star, out of 150,000, in one small patch of one constellation. TT1. How many other impossible stars are sitting in data no one has opened? Next time, the void where the universe forgot to put galaxies. If tonight's star left you with questions, subscribe. This is Kelvin Zero. The universe is cold. We keep watch anyway.